Drivers, AI-powered advisory systems give real-time speed recommendations, saving fuel and reducing wear. In control centers, AI predicts delays and suggests new schedules, minimizing disruption and human error. AI alerts maintenance crews to issues and keeps staff informed about platform changes. By delivering the right information at the right time, AI creates a synchronized, efficient, and safe railway. Every day, AI quietly ensures reliability and security from start to finish. The result? Safer, more comfortable journeys for everyone. AI's magic comes from three technologies: sensors, cameras, and intelligent software. Sensors act as the train's touch and hearing, monitoring temperature, vibration, and pressure across the train. Cameras, some with infrared or thermal vision, serve as AI's eyes, scanning tracks, wheels, and surroundings for issues. Drones and pole-mounted cameras provide a bird's-eye view, capturing millions of images for analysis. All this data flows to AI software, the train's brain, which uses machine learning to spot and predict problems. The AI compares new data to what it's learned, instantly flagging anything unusual. It gets smarter with every journey, learning from each detected fault. Over time, AI predicts failures before they happen, revolutionizing safety. Together, sensors, cameras, and software create a system that's always watching, learning, and protecting. This is the backbone of modern train safety. Meet the Swift, a modern train protected by AI. Before sunrise, its AI runs self-diagnostics, spotting a minor vibration in a rear axle and scheduling maintenance before it becomes a problem. As the Swift rolls out, AI cameras scan the tracks, identifying hazards like animals and alerting the driver calmly. At busy junctions, central AI traffic control maps the perfect route, coordinating speeds so the Swift glides through without stopping. The journey is smooth, efficient, and safe, thanks to AI's constant vigilance. At day's end, the Swift uploads its data to the cloud, where AI systems across the network learn and improve. Even a small vibration can help engineers design better trains for the future. Every journey with AI is a step toward a safer railway for all.